Okay guys, so first things first, we need to make some sections in this wig so that we can flat iron this unit, get it nice and sleek and straight before we add some curls. I am doing the chase method with this, and I love how easy this hair will flat iron. Like, it really just took the flat iron so easy, and it's wild to me because my flat iron is cheap.
I don't wanna be alone tonight. It's pretty clear that I'm not over you. I'm still thinking about the things you do. So I don't wanna be alone tonight, alone tonight, alone tonight. Can you fight the fight? And there's somebody who can take control. I know exactly what I need to do, 'cause I don't wanna be alone tonight.
Once the hair was nice and sleek from the flat iron, I tinted the lace because it did come transparent, and well, clearly I don't need a transparent lace, so I am tinting that real quick so it'll fit my skin tone. But I did bleach the knots, so I'm not covering the knots or anything. I mean, technically it is covering the knots, but I'm not trying to cover the knots. That is basically for the sole purpose of tinting the lace. Once that's done, I'm getting prepped and ready to install this wig. And I'm just sizing it up to fit my head right now, seeing how it needs to fit on me. And I actually realized something that most people probably already know if you install virgin hair wigs a lot, is that cut off the ear area before you install the wig, not after, so it'll fit right. I think that's been my problem all along with the wigs not covering my ears with these lace frontal units, is because I have not been cutting the lace first as far as like behind my ear to fit. I've been doing it after I glued. And well, yeah. Once that's done, I'm going to pin the hair back, and then I'm going to start customizing the hairline, not to thin it out because it did come pre-plucked, but just to make it look more natural and mimic my hairline basically. So I look under the lace and to see what my hairline looks like, and then I mimic on top of the lace. You already know how I do. Now I'm ready to install, and I'm starting by cutting the 2 slits in my lace, because applying your wig glue or gel, whatever you're going to use, in threes is so much easier than trying to apply it all one time across your head. And for this install, I am using the yellow tube of Got to Be Glued and freeze spray.
But boy, I need to get you off of my mind. I know exactly what I have to do. I don't wanna be alone tonight, alone tonight, alone tonight. Look what you made me do. I was somebody new. Oh baby, baby, I'm dancing with a stranger. Look what you made me do. I was somebody new.
Once I cut the lace off, I'm just trying to fix those areas with just a tiny bit of gel and freeze spray that were just kind of coming up and not exactly melting how I wanted it to melt. So I'm just fixing those areas, which really looks like it's the whole front anyway. So, and then I'm gonna just use a knee high to let that lace melt in the front while I work on styling the unit some more. Curling away from the face in the front because, you know, face framing. And then once I get to the back curls and things like that, I'm curling in both directions because that gives you more volume. So, and then once I get to the other side, I'm going to go back to face framing, and at the very top, I'm also curling away from the face because I want it to lay properly. And then once I'm done curling, I literally just take a wide comb and comb it out and put a little hairspray in it and call it a day. I had the footage, but it got lost somewhere and I cannot find it. So I'm sorry I don't have that part. Please forgive me. Okay, you guys, so let's discuss this unit from Celie Hair. When you see it online, it'll be labeled as the color 1B27, and this is a 13x6 frontal. And on the website, they said it was 200% density, but it seems to me around 180. That's more of what I feel it is, but it is labeled as 200% density. And I mean, obviously they have the scales to weigh their products and things like that, but to me, like, it comes off more 180. The lace was transparent, so if you have a very light skin tone, it'll be great for you. If you have a brown skin tone, you will have to tint that lace, which can be a little difficult sometimes, but it can be done. It is a pre-plucked frontal, and it is true to the title of that. I did not have to pluck any hair out of this unit to thin it. All I did was pluck to match up my hairline. So that's awesome because that takes so much time out. I'm really loving this color, Fiancé Returns. It was a bit brassier straight out of the box, but when I bleached my knots, you know, when the use of purple shampoo, the shimmer lights, it toned down the blonde a little bit too. This is the body wave unit. However, when you wash it, and I kind of figured this out once I read the directions. When you wash it, the directions say to not like let it hang straight or you will lose the body wave curl. And that's basically what happened when I did it. The curls like completely dropped. Like it didn't even have like a looser wave to it. It was like completely gone as if I bought a straight wig for the most part. So that was kind of on me because I didn't read that part in the directions that said to, you know, kind of curl it back up, scrunch it back up something, or you'll lose the curl. I wasn't mad at it though because most body waves with that essence of body wave like after the initial washing, so I wasn't upset about it. It holds a curl really well and it takes the heat really well. I flat ironed this before I curled it and it was so easy to do. Not only does the hair look great, but it feels great as well. Like the feel is so soft and satin-like, it's amazing. Especially because the hair is dyed, and sometimes when you know you dye it this light, it can get kind of brittle and dry. So that's great that this hair, like, it's holding its luxuriousness like this. And on top of that, I didn't use any like oils or serums for shine or anything. So this is just like how it naturally glows and how it naturally feels. The length that they sent this to me in is in the 18-inch, which I think is a really good length. It's like not too long, not too short. The cap size fits really well. And when you get your order from the box, this is the box. Don't mind it being a little beat up. But this is the box they send it to you in, and they send you some goodies as well. A satin bonnet. And then it also came with a pair of lashes, and they don't look like the cheap plastic looking lashes either. They look like actually pretty good lashes. I'm just not good at installing lashes. And they sent wig caps, and in my correct tone too. A lot of times they don't send it to me in the right tone, but it is what it is. Also, it comes with adjustable elastic band for you to use this as a glueless unit. I really think this unit is super pretty and super easy and manageable. My only real like con to it is that I hate that the lace is transparent. But other than that, like, it's a really pretty unit. Comment shout out in this video goes to Summer Breeze. Thank you so much for commenting on my channel and supporting me. It does not go unnoticed. I appreciate it so much. If you'd like to be the comment winner in the next video, just comment down in this video or any of my other videos, and I check my comments and I pick a winner. So that could be you in the next video. Get your shout out. Anyways, if you'd like to pick up this unit, it'll be linked down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.